Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today, we'll be practicing the 25 most useful questions and answers in English. We'll be practicing the 25 questions in two different ways. The first way will be Leon and I ask and answer the 25 questions and you just listen. And then the second way, I will ask you the questions and you will read the yellow caption to answer the question. This will help you practice your pronunciation, accent, and confidence when speaking and answering questions in English. This video is part of my 3,000 most common English words series designed to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English. If you want to get the 3,000 most common English words PDF, it's in the description. Let's get started. Part one will just be me and Leon answering and asking these questions. So just listen to how a native English speaker would answer these questions. We'll first start by introductions and basic information. First question, what's your name?
My name is Leon. It's nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. It's a nice and hot country.
Where do you live?
I live in Mexico City. It's the capital of Mexico.
What do you do?
I work as an accountant. I've only been doing it for 2 years now.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I will turn 26 this year.
If you want to build a strong English foundation fast, then get my 3,000 most common English words PDF. You'll learn the most important words that cover up to 95% of everyday English with clear definitions, real examples, and easy organization by topic and CEFR level. Click the link in the description. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Now we'll move on to the questions about daily conversations. How are you?
I'm doing well, but I wish it was a little bit sunnier today.
What are you doing?
I'm enjoying my weekend right now. I'm not looking forward to go back to work.
What time is it?
It's almost 5 o'clock. It's almost time to eat.
What's the weather like?
Today it's cloudy and it feels like it wants to rain.
What's wrong?
My back has been giving me problems lately. It's starting to hurt a lot.
Can you repeat that?
Of course, my back has been giving me problems lately. It's starting to hurt a lot.
Now the questions about shopping and getting around. How much is this?
It's not too expensive. For you, I can sell it for $20.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What are you looking for?
Where is the supermarket?
The main supermarket is 500 meters down the street. You'll see it on your left.
What would you like?
I would like a large pizza with extra pepperoni, please.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a new pair of shoes, something I can go running with.
Now we'll go on to the last set of questions about socializing and communication. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I am fluent in English.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to visit the park and sometimes I like to go swimming.
What kind of music do you like?
I like country music the most, but I listen to almost everything.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy playing hockey and basketball.
Have you been to India?
No, I haven't been there yet, but I really want to go.
How do you spell that?
It's spelled T-I-R-E, tire, like on a car.
What does valuable mean?
It can mean something very expensive or meaningful to you.
How's it going?
It's going pretty well. I've been enjoying my weekend.
So that was the first round of the 25 questions where I asked Leon and Leon answered the questions. Now I will ask you guys and you have to read the yellow caption, okay? Let's get started. What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? How old are you? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Now on to the daily conversation questions. How are you? What are you doing? What time is it? What's the weather like? What's wrong? Can you repeat that? Now on to the shopping and getting around questions. How much is this? Can you help me? Where is the post office? What would you like? What are you looking for? Now on to the socializing and communication questions. Do you speak English? What do you like to do in your free time? What kind of music do you like? Do you like football? Have you been to China? How do you spell that? What does valuable mean? How's it going? So you guys have just practiced answering those 25 questions. Now I want you to do one last thing. I want you to ask me the question now, because it's important to also learn how to ask questions, not just answer questions. So ask me these 5 next questions and I will answer you. Read the yellow caption. My name is Volka, it's nice to meet you. Or if you want to sound more like a native English speaker, you could say, my name is Volka, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you, it's nice to meet you. Ask me the next question. I'm from Canada. It's the 2nd biggest country in the world, and in my opinion, it's the most beautiful. Right now, I live in Asia since I'm traveling, but my permanent home is in Canada. When I ask you guys a question, I also want you to answer. This time, I won't give you any yellow caption to read. You have to try to answer on your own. Ask me the next question. If you're serious about becoming fluent in English, I've built a full speaking and pronunciation course that shows you exactly what to do step by step. You get instant access to 80+ video lessons right away, and I add 3 to 5 brand new lessons every week, so you can keep improving consistently. And this is not just a course full of random videos. You'll get an exclusive ChatGPT prompt that allows you to master the pronunciation of any word, plus a clear practice structure so you always know exactly how to study, what to focus on, and how to make real progress. Inside, we work on pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you can stop hesitating, sound more natural, and speak English with real confidence. Join today in the description. I work remotely online and I make YouTube videos. What about you? What do you do? Now ask me the final question. In my free time, I love to play sports. My favorite sports are hockey, basketball, and snowboarding. Unfortunately, I can't do 2 of those since those are winter sports, but I can play basketball. What about you? What do you like to do in your free time? Let me know if you guys like this type of video. Do you like to hear me and Leon ask and answer the questions and then have you answer the questions by reading the yellow caption? Or do you not like these videos? And remember guys, if you want to get the 3,000 most common English words that will allow you to understand up to 95% of spoken English, then get it in the description.